one of your favorite activities is to take things apart on your BMW, here's one for you. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, MS90, what do you think of my art? In any case, my name is Max and I upload how-to videos to help you make your life a little bit easier, to help you out with your BMW project. Guys, here's another how-to. Let's get to the point. If you have to remove the grille on these cars for some reason, for a good reason, for not a good reason, here's how you do it. These grilles are clip-in, meaning that there is no screws or anything like that holding it in place. There is no screws, bolts, nuts or anything to remove. Okay, what holds the grille in place is a set of tabs. They basically just clip into the bumper. And to remove the grille, you really have to just undo those tabs. Press them and undo them. There are a couple of ways to get to the tabs. Okay, in this case I have an LCI E90 and it's a slightly different design from pre-LCI model. So what you have to undo is 5 tabs basically. 2 of them are on the bottom, 1 is on this side and 2 are on the top. In a nutshell, you have to get to those tabs and just push them, and then the grille will come out. So the first tab is here. This slat number, whatever you count, 2. The tab is here. The other tab is right here. There is one that is on the side right here, and there are 2 on the top. So the 2 tabs on the top are located approximately here. Here's one. And here's another one. Well, actually under the bumper. So those are the tabs that you have to undo. I guess the easiest way to get to those tabs is to remove these 4 screws on the top of the bumper. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So once you remove those screws, you can actually lift the bumper up like this. It's fairly flexible. So I'm going to work on this side because this is the side that I need to remove. The other side has been already done and reinstalled. Okay, you might also want to remove this hood seal on the top, but that's optional. Okay, at this point you have enough flex in the bumper to peel it up like this and stick your hand behind the grille. This way you can access those tabs. So at this point all you have to do is push the tab up and forward and the grille starts to separate from the bumper. That's 2 on the bottom. There's 1 on the top. This one you push it down. The side just, and they kind of have a tendency of clipping back in place. You can also use a tab tool or a screwdriver, and I'm going to show you how that may help you. And there you go. That's how you remove these grilles. Success. So okay, if you look at the back side of the grille, we will see these tabs. Here's one, there's another one. Number 2 on the bottom, number 2 on the top, and there's 1 on this side. So if you look at this face on, they're here to give you a good idea of how they are located. This one is kind of toward the bottom, and the top is approximately 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you count slats, 1, 2, 3, and this is the tab. 1, 2, 3, and this is the tab. On the bottom, they're not really lined up. This one is kind of closer to each other. Here's what these tabs look like. The center is where you should be pushing. You can use a flat screwdriver, for example, and just slide it into the tab until it bottoms out and just press it down. Well, I guess that depends if the tabs are on the top or on the bottom, but in any case you have to be pressing these centers in the direction of the grill away from the bumper. So if it's on the bottom, you have to be pressing it up. If it's on the top, you have to be pressing it down. And that is pretty much it. There is no magic or anything about removing this piece of trim. As far as different models of BMWs go, it all depends. Depends on the design and style of the grille that they have. You might have something similar, like this is an F30 Portola grille, and it's pretty much the same shape, and even almost fits here. And the same design, you have an outer part and you have the inner part. They're all clipped together. As far as this being attached to the bumper, there is more tabs, which is a good thing. This one has 8 actually, 1 on each side and 3 on top and bottom. And also there is a kind of a foam seal on the top, which is a nice going for BMW. Here's the F30, like I said, and there's more tabs, but the design is approximately the same. So on F30 you would have to undo 3 on each top and bottom and 1 on each side. That's pretty much it for this video. Good luck removing your grill. And the reason why I'm removing the grill is because I'm converting from chrome to sort of a shadow line finish, which is the rest of my car. The grill is chrome because I bought the car with the grills being absent. It came with the gaping holes. I had to buy something. I found a set of OEM on used parts market, and these are OEM and I liked them, I guess, at that time, but eventually, well, this is the time to make the improvement.